And then in Philippines, that's one of the busiest numbers wise that's happening. What are the main issues you saw in Filipino cases happening? What issues did you typically run into?
Right. So I was with the USCIS office, which is now closed in Manila,
Hmm.
the U.S. Embassy. But the primary purpose of that embassy, or that USCIS office in the embassy at the time, was to accept and adjudicate I-407s for people abandoning their green cards, which
Oh,
are
interesting.
now a mail-in process primarily.
Yeah.
They accepted I-130s for filing, direct consular filing there, or direct filing with USCIS and then handed over to the consular section. And I-360s. It's a very, very busy post for widows and widowers
Yeah.
seeking immigration benefits as well. Probably one of the busiest posts in the world for that purpose. Certainly at the time for filing overseas, it was quite busy. And then things like humanitarian reinstatement and a variety of issues. But I found where USCIS added the most value abroad was having experienced officers that could liaise with the consular section and be a resource
Hmm.
for consular. I worked with consular a few times to remove erroneous entries of inadmissibility and other things that were not really achievable if you didn't have a USCIS officer present in the embassy.
How would someone in those? I mean, they essentially, for those who know, they shut down this stuff. Trump shut down all these international offices, and they're very, very slowly kind of rebuilding it at a snail's pace. Essentially, I think there's one or two small like international offices they have now. Um, how would have someone have reached out for you to fix it when there was erroneous stuff going on?
Yeah, it's just knowing the consular officers being available to them.
Oh, they would ask you and ask for clarification and stuff. Okay.
Yeah, I was just right there, really embedded within the consular section, right next door to the consular section, which of course was massive in the Philippines. We were just two officers in USCIS compared to dozens upon dozens of consular officers.